How to buy Steam gift card online. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can buy Steam gift cards online. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is open up a web browser. After you open up a web browser, simply search for a website called Buy Sell Vouchers. After you search for that, you will get Buy Sell Vouchers website. Tap on it and open it up. Now you can directly head over to this link as well. It's buysellvouchers.com, and after you there you will see this interface. On the left hand side you will see gift cards. Simply expand on it, and there on the list you should find Steam. Tap on Steam. After you tap on Steam, you will get different gift cards of Steam available here. So simply choose the one that you want to download. So I'll just tap on this one. After you tap on that, you will get to this page where you will get different information about your Steam gift card. So you can see here the description of it, and whenever you want to buy it and you think that you can buy this, tap on buy now and go through the transaction process. After you go through the transaction process, you will get your Steam gift card, and yeah, that is basically how you do it. That is all for the video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.